So alright everyone, how is everything? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make these type of infographs in few seconds using AI. And as you look at all of this, the next one, as you can see, 309 years sleep, we seal their hearts, control all the visuals. Look at the images that it creates, okay? This one and this one, sleeper of the cave. Look at the visuals it generates automatically. Now this one, and look at this. Science in scriptures, 10 astonishing facts from the Quran. And look at this one. Electricity and powerful, electric to electric circuit, electric bulb. And this one, shaping behavior guide to reinforcement schedules. Or you can make a lot of these type of infographs. Okay, so how you can generate these infographs? You need an AI named Notebook LM. Just go to the Google and search Notebook LM. Sign up with your email ID, Google email ID. Then after that, click on Create New option. Okay, Create New. So it's start opening your new notebook. Come on, Paji. Okay, now you have an option to upload files by yourself, images, PDF, or a website link, or a YouTube link, a drive copy, or your own text that you have taken from anywhere, or your own document. Or you can do just search it on internet and it will provide you some PDFs, websites, then you will take them as a source. Okay, so you all these all options you already knows, and let me show you the first option. Then how you can take your data from online resources. So first of all, choose your topic on which you want to generate an infograph. So let me try like we take PHP. Okay, PHP overview, complete overview. Now click on this option arrow and this will start researching some of the websites. You can select sources by yourself. Okay, so it shows some 10 sources. Now I can select by myself. If you want to select all of them, just select all, click on all sources. Otherwise, deselect them and select by yourself. PHP, Wikipedia, Zend Engine, analysis of Zend Engine architecture. PHP, you can trace the language history from this. And syntax and semantics, click on, I will take this one, PHP 8.3 release announcement. PHP version, PHP object pattern practice, and understanding PHP memory management, Laravel, no. Queen secure PHP development. Okay, I have taken 6 sources. Now I'm going to click on import option. So it will add all these 6 sources here. Okay, we got it. Now you can see all these options are open. As in the studio, if you want to generate infographs, here is the option of generating it. It's a beta version and you can create 3 to 4 infographs every day. Yes, and it's free. Now what you have to do, just if you want to generate directly, just click on this infograph option. Otherwise you can search anything or make a note by adding, click on add note and paste that text in this note and put it here. Okay, and then select only the note of that you have taken, then generate a infograph. Or you can just click on pencil option and select by yourself. You need a orientation as a landscape, portrait, or square. You can choose it. Concise, standard, or detailed. I will prefer to choose detailed because all of these that I have showed you, this is not a detailed one, it's a standard. This is a detailed. And as you can see, it does mistakes while writing, but you can change it I can say you can edit them by yourself. But I recommend you can edit them in Canva on Vista Create. And you need a video on that topic, then I will make it. This is a standard one. it doesn't have any mistakes according to me. Okay, variable, it has some mistakes, no issue, but it make your work easier. Now here you can describe what type of style, color you want. You can describe your complete theme here, or if you don't need something that like I don't need faces and no humans, please. Okay, make it, sorry for the mistakes, make it attractive. All right, so I will click on generate option. So through this starts generating both of them. Completed one. PHP history and modern. One of them is completed. PHP from personal home page to enterprise powerhouse. It shows a history. PHP 1, PHP 5, PHP 4, 30% intelligent memory management. The second one has generated technical anatomy, server-side execution, the Zen engine pipeline, minimize syntax, shows some syntax, type, string typing constraint, random, read only, properties and attributes, memory management, type, value, ref, count, flag. Okay, so the third one is PHP management. Okay, it is a standard one, it is not detailed, so it shows like this. Okay, so as you can see how you can generate these type of infographics in few seconds by just clicking. Okay, no need to change anything. Now let me show you in another video that what you can do more with this notebook LM. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.